Hi everyone, I am Behzad Hussain. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I am going to answer one question from my Semantic SEO WhatsApp group. So the question here is, sir, in health related niches there are so much depth to gather the data as you are doing in your videos, but not all niches have much depth. I have e-commerce sites for toothbrushes. How can we do semantic SEO in this type of sites? Actually, some niches have very less query network, very low number of fewer queries from target audience because only there are only commercial queries, or we can say we are unable to optimize our outer section. We are unable to create related topics for those niches. In this scenario, my first recommendation is to focus on frame semantics. So, what is frame semantics? Frame semantics is a linguistic theory explaining that word meanings come from structured mental models or frames representing real world situations, not isolated definitions. Example is very helpful to understand this concept. When you hear buy, you activate a commercial frame involving a buyer, seller, goods, and money. So, whenever you hear one concept, one word, there are some related frames or related structured contexts that are needed to fulfill the whole topic around that particular word or particular context or concept. For example, when you say a word buy or you hear a word buy, it means there is one seller, there is one buyer, there is something to be bought or sold, and there is something to be trade off like currency or money. So this is the concept of frame semantics. There is always related items, related frames or evoked frames for each context, each scenario that support the overall topic of that particular context or intent. So for your example, here is a custom GPT frame semantics analysis. This custom GPT is from Sarcore, but I enhanced it. I will share the link in the YouTube video description. You can find its link. I just wrote my target topic or the word or the main service or whatever entity you want to expand. You want to understand what are the related topics here, or how can I expand my topic or outer section for this topic. So just give the topic. I wrote here toothbrush, and then it analyzed surface form toothbrush, compound noun, core predicate, brush, scrub, clean. So this is the contextual predicate or action verb for toothbrush. What is implicitly profiles an agent uses an instrument to clean a body part target to achieve hygiene health outcomes. So this is the fullest semantic role labeling, or in easy words, the fullest EAV model explanation for this toothbrush overall frame. Imagine a frame that has a border, and everything that is in between that frame or border will be discussed here through frame semantics lens. Even when toothbrush is a noun, it strongly evokes the action frame. Action frame is brushing, action predicate, plus the instrument frame of a brush. So there is one tool or instrument that will be used to brush the teeth. Then core frames evoked oral hygiene, cleaning. So teeth cleaning is related to toothbrush, scenario routine cleaning of teeth, and gum line to remove plaque or debris and reduce odor. Then cleaning scrubbing action frame, instrument used, tool frame, a tool used for a task, includes parts, maintenance, suitability. You can read and understand all these things. I will share this response link in the description. You can utilize it. And then this is the real way to understand the full frame semantics that is usable for you, that is useful for you. Reusable knowledge structure with the help of frame semantics. So frame is the singular context and then predicate, anchor, or the related item lexical unit, then core frame elements, related items to this particular context. So oral hygiene cleaning, this is the first and the uppermost benefit of toothbrush. So here one person is agent who is doing the toothbrushing activity, then the target, these are my teeth, then instrument, this is my toothbrush, and goal is to clean or get oral hygiene, and result is the oral hygiene. Then context, frame elements, time, at what time I need to do brushing my teeth, then frequency, how many times to do the brush, then location, which areas of teeth I need to take care of, then hygiene standard. What extent of toothbrushing activity will help me get this level of hygiene that is recommended to maintain my health. Then typical fillers or examples, agent is person or child who is doing the toothbrush. Then what I have explained for all these, it is written here already. Then inferences or entailment, brushing is beneficial, repeated, linked to dental health. So all these things have been explained here. So these are the overall contexts that are fit in this particular frame of toothbrush. So all these are the related evoked frames that have multiple frame elements to fulfill the overall topicality and the concept of toothbrush. So here everything is related to toothbrush. If I read all these rows, cleaning, scrubbing, instrument, use, health, maintenance, routine, habit, consumer, product, waste and disposal. And then detailed frame table with sub roles, expanded roles, reusable ontology. Agent, who is the doer, then demographics. So you are going to target your possible consumers. So who is going to do this toothbrush? What are their demographics, capability or constraints, preferences, what it captures? So all of these things. Then the target of toothbrush is our teeth and gums. Sub target, where cleaning happens, instrument, toothbrush. So all these things for toothbrush. Then action, manner, medium, optional, maintenance, instrument, life cycle, contact setting. And here for your understanding, frames, roles and the entities. For oral hygiene cleaning, this is a frame. Oral hygiene, in the above tables it have been explained already. Then roles, and here is the concept of semantic role labeling. So in our context, what depicts what? So this person, and then entities, entity types, who will perform this role. So all these things are sub entity types for this frame. So in this way you can understand all of these things. I am highlighting these things for your understanding so that it is easier for you to understand how to find more topics regarding your topic without any extra work. So this is the way you need to fulfill your topicality through all the related topics. So these are the contextually and semantically related topics that you need to cover in your toothbrush topicality. So now here visual semantic map for your understanding. It will help you understand the full topic, and then additional contexts you can attach to this topic. Parenting frame, you can enhance parenting frame in your outer section. Then clinical dentistry frame, dentist recommendations, plaque or other things. Aesthetic frames, whitening concerns, stain removal, breath freshness. Then accessibility frame, travel frame, sustainability frame. So all these are the related ideas regarding toothbrush. So you have multiple contexts to cover within this toothbrush frame. So all these are related topics and contexts for you to cover on the website. Then SEO implication, frame aware structuring, content architecture suggestions, frame coverage, use sections that map directly to frames, helps topical completeness plus intent matching. And then next section explains you entity and intent clusters, manual toothbrush, electric. So these are the different types of sub entities, entity types that you need to cover. So for SEO implementation or SEO implication, frame aware structuring, these are just contexts. It doesn't mean you need to publish a page for each of these contexts. No, these are just contexts, these are just topics. You need to search each of these topic, and then you need to find what are the target audience queries regarding these topics. When you find the queries from your real audience, then you will see which query or which topic deserves a page and which topic will be covered with an other parent topic. So this is the main thing. I have explained all the details how to find related topic and how to do semantic SEO for the websites or the topics where you are unable to find a lot of user queries, you are short of topics to publish on your website. So whatever your niche is, whether there are multiple queries available or not, for every topical map, for every website's content strategy, you need to consider frame semantics, because frame semantics will help you explore. These are the related topics that are connected with my target topic. Here toothbrush, let's assume toothbrush is the product category on this e-commerce website, and I want to publish content around this toothbrush. So these are the ultimate maximum contexts that are contextually and semantically related to toothbrush frame. So whatever you publish on your website, you need to do semantic SEO, you need to relate the meaningful topics, you need to have internally linked topics on your website to connect the topics and to fill the semantic gaps. For example, if you don't write on this one, if you don't write on clinic or scrubbing benefit, and you don't answer the user queries regarding this context, you are missing the topics on your website. You have incomplete topical coverage. Search engine algorithms will see that this topic is not completed yet. Your topical coverage is weaker on this point. So all these things are related through contextual and semantic meanings. All these are the related topics that we explored through frame semantics. I hope this helped you. Thank you for watching. See you in the next question. Thank you.